Inrotech-Crawler is probably the smallest yet most advanced welding robot on the market. Contrary to the typical robot setup, where the robot is stationary and the object moved to the robot, here the robot is mobile and is moved to the object. Besides ships, bridges and submarines and other applications, the Inrotech-Crawler is also suitable for the welding of LNG storage tanks and other tank systems. The robot itself is a UR3, which is the smallest of Universal's robot series. The robot is placed on a carriage which is built from anodized aluminum. The total weight including robot is approximately 45 kgs. The carriage also holds electrical components like I/O modules, pneumatic relays, and an inclination sensor, which identifies the position of the robot. The system uses this information automatically on the fly to adjust the welding parameters accordingly. If desired, the system can be provided with a temperature sensor, which monitors the interpass temperature and only allows the robot to resume welding once the temperature is within the selected temperature window. The cable connection between the robot and the control box and welding machine has a length of 20 meters. Cables such as water-cooled welding cable, robot signal cable, power supply and communications cables are protected by a durable yet flexible cover. The carriage runs on a rail which is resting on the upper edge of the tank in building. It is provided by wheels, so it easily can slide from one position to the next. Once in position, it is fixed by activating the lock at the top and the magnet at the bottom of the rail. The length of the rail can be delivered to any desired length. It is also possible to weld the horizontal connections. The only difference is that the rail system, which for that purpose is a modular flexible titanium rail, which is fixed to the steel plates by means of switchable magnets. Each rail has a length of 3 meters and can be interconnected easily by a snap lock system to any desired length. The user interface consists of a Windows-based touchscreen with simple choices for the daily operation. Most commands are icon-based or otherwise in clear local language. No codes. This means that the Inrotech-Crawler is intuitive for the operator to use. No programming needed, only a selection of choices on the HMI. The Inrotech-Crawler is based on WeldLogic technology, which is specifically developed for multipass welding of butt joints. It can handle almost any material thickness and is especially well suited for heavy steel plates. The revolutionary feature of WeldLogic is that it automatically fills up weld grooves and thereby automatically compensating for varying geometry and tolerances. Even material thickness is considered automatically. The first step is a scanning process where the entire groove is scanned. Based on this scan, the system calculates the optimal welding arrangement for filling up the groove uniformly. Location of each pass, number of passes, welding parameters such as weaving and welding speed. All parameters are based on the client's requested WPS. This means that operation is very simple. Move the rail to position where the weld groove is within reach of the robot, fix the rail and push start. The robot will now scan the weld groove prior to welding and automatically calculate the entire welding process, number of passes, location of each pass, and the appropriate welding parameters.